Hatalia 2010's fandom was so weird, but so fucking beautiful, and I would kill to be in the fandom at that time. What do you mean they had parades? So many cosplayers, meetups, fanfics, and so much more. I'm like 10 years late to this fandom, and it physically hurts me every goddamn day anyway. The weird part about it was the actual Nazis in the fandom and incest. So that's the thing about the fandom and how incest is still normalized in the fandom. I really like the show, and yes, it is problematic, especially the fandom. I'm in love with a lot of the fandom and show. I love history, and the fandom is so creative. I hate incest and how people remake vent videos in Gacha Life, but hey, that's just my opinion. Bye-bye.